Here's the fourth tip for Amazon sellers in light of the coronavirus. If you are unable to resolve your issues with Amazon, lost inventory, refusal to release your money, stealing your inventory, selling your private label products, selling counterfeit products of your brand, Amazon has done this and I bet will continue to do it in the future. You have your own brand, Amazon gets counterfeit ones and sells it on your listing. Whatever your dispute is with Amazon, if you can't resolve it amicably through plans of action, then you have to take Amazon to arbitration. It's in the TOS, the terms of service. You go to arbitration against Amazon, you end up with an arbitrator. The hearing is either going to be where you live and work or in Seattle. That's always a fight with Amazon, but eventually there's a hearing. As of right now, in light of the coronavirus, we do not anticipate any of these in-person hearings proceeding. We anticipate that every single one, we have one this month, we have one in May, we have one in June, we may have two in June. We don't anticipate any of the in-person hearings going forward, which means the hearings will be done electronically. The witnesses will be given a video link. They will testify through video cameras. Our team, the witness, our client, Amazon's lawyers, who are always the same guys over and over again. There you go, John. Here's your plug for always representing the big bad guy. And the arbitrator are going to all be in different places because one, nobody wants to travel, and number two, people are avoiding getting together. So that's what you need to know in light of the coronavirus, that if you have an arbitration coming up, the in-person hearing is probably never going to happen. But for sellers' benefit, it is a whole lot cheaper and a whole lot more efficient to sometimes do it electronically. Now, I'm a huge believer that if you are right and you are the little guy, you physically want to get yourself in front of that arbitrator. Before pivoting into Amazon, all I did is try cases. I went back to back trials, personal injury, car accidents, medical malpractice, employment cases. I always represented entrepreneurs, but my bread and butter was a trial lawyer. So if you are 100% right and you make a good witness, you want to get physically in front of that arbitrator. But whether you make a poor witness or a great witness, over the next couple of months, none of the in-person hearings are going to be proceeding. They're all going to be electronic. Okay, please click one more time for the fifth thing that Amazon sellers need to know in light of the coronavirus epidemic.